Hi, I'm Bob Keiser, Vice President with Global Markets Intelligence Research at S&P Capital IQ. This week's Lookout Report takes a look at the recently reported February Consumer Price Index, otherwise known as CPI inflation data. The CPI data is quite intriguing from our perspective. Core inflation, or CPI excluding food and energy, has in fact been declining for nearly 2 years since May 2012 and is currently at the lowest level seen since mid-year 2011. This trend is noteworthy since it is providing support to the bond market that continues to hold at historically low market yields. But more importantly, declining and non-threatening inflation levels provide cover for the Federal Reserve in terms of credibility as they continue to pursue highly accommodative U.S. monetary policy. Since the start of 2014, GMI Research has been looking for signs of a bottom in inflation, in line with our expectations that core CPI would gradually start working its way higher towards 2% over the course of the year, consistent with our improving U.S. macroeconomic growth story. But as of the latest inflation report for February, this has yet to happen. In the context of a U.S. economy that has experienced severe winter weather disruptions since the first quarter of the year, which has weighed on GDP growth, but is widely expected to rebound strongly in the second quarter, we are closely following upcoming economic data for confirmation that the outlook is indeed improving. Going forward, GMI Research believes that a not too hot, not too cold, Goldilocks-like U.S. economic situation will best serve fixed income and equity market investors. A not too cold economy should help S&P 500 corporations earn the $118 per share anticipated by investors for calendar year 2014, while a not too hot economy should ensure that core inflation does not materially exceed the Fed's 2% comfort zone. For more thoughts on the outlook for the economy, inflation, and corporate earnings, see this week's Lookout Report titled, "Inflation Has Yet to Rear Its Ugly Head. If anything, its head appears to be stuck in the sand." Thanks for previewing this week's Lookout Report. Until next time, I'm Bob Keiser with S&P Capital IQ.